What's up and welcome everybody to dwproductions. Today's video I am going to be giving you a quick demonstration how to using the XTOOL D7 Smart Diagnostic Systems tool. Now this particular device, this not only is a diagnostic device, but it's also a key fob programmer. So we are currently sitting inside my wife's Buick Enclave. I purchased a new wireless key fob for our vehicle because we only have just the one key fob. So I'm going to give you the rundown quick setup here. So you are going to want to have this thing plugged directly into your OBD2 slot of the vehicle. And then you're going to get your key. We're going to turn this into the on position, but without physically starting it. Next, on the XTOOL D7 tool here, we're going to go auto scan. We're going to let this sync up to the vehicle itself. Now, this is going to pull all of the vehicle information, including the VIN number, make, model, year. It's going to go in depth for all different functionality of this. This particular tool is absolutely amazing when it comes to a massive selection in the automotive industry of what you can use this for. Let's go ahead and hit OK. All right. Now, once you get past the auto connection, it's going to give you two different features. So the first one is going to be the automatic scan or the system diagnostics. I recommend using automatic scan. So this is going to give the full OBD2 scan of the vehicle, including the electrical system, the smart features, the safety features. There's so much functionality in this. But the reason why I recommend using that auto scan is so that way you can select the functionality you want to get into when it comes to some of the special services. So the diagnostic ran the whole system here. So the one that we're going to select, which is line number 2, is the remote door lock receiver. So if we go into diagnostics, it's going to give you 4 tabs on there. The one that we want is going to be special functions. And then from here, it's going to be program a new key fob. So click here. And then what we're going to do, so I'm going to clear out all of the key fob history that is currently saved in the vehicle. And I'm going to start this thing over to make it seem like it started off fresh. Now by doing so, invalidate all key fobs. So I'm going to click that there. Now, because I've done that, our other key fob that we have, it will delete the retained information. And then I'm going to reprogram each one of the key fobs. So I'm going to hit program. Bring you guys down real quick, just so you can see. So on the dashboard, it is going to say remote key learning active. Hook you guys back up. Now, when you have your new key fob, the way you're going to program your key, you're going to press the lock and unlock button at the same time, and you're going to hear a double chime from the vehicle itself. So I'm going to press and hold it. Here we go. There's the double beat. So key fob number 1, and let's reprogram my wife's keys here. Key fob number 2. That is it. So I'm going to press done. It's now communicating. We can go to show live status. It has up to 4 key fobs for the vehicle, and it says key fob number 1 program yes, key fob number 2 program yes. So that is it. A pretty simple, easy setup. As far as the versatility of this thing, highly recommend. It's an awesome tool. You're gonna love the functionality. Well worth the investment. Thank you guys all for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, like, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts and ideas. But please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out, especially when it comes down to getting further into the diagnostic end of it, of different things that everybody likes. Thank you all.